This short video will show you some of the screen layout changes that come with our new 2023 version of CampusNet. It points out some changes and how to make adjustments to your liking. Changes were made to the menu item locations. However, once you reach the screens for viewing or editing an activity, the screens are very similar to the older version and should be familiar to you. Our prior videos should still be helpful once you navigate to an activity. You may notice that the icons shown in your course are somewhat larger than before, so the screen has a different look. However, all the same information is there as it was before the new version. When you open a course in CampusNet, you may see a screen that has no left or right menu panels. If you hover over either the menu icon at the left or the left arrow icon on the right, you will see the icon labels appear. Clicking the left menu icon will open the course index, which contains the weekly sections. Select from these to go to the week you want. Clicking the arrow near the right top will open the block drawer. The block drawer shows the various blocks in your course activities, Panopto block, latest news block, etc. When you are viewing the screen with larger fonts, you will only see either the left or the right panel expanded. However, if you want to see both panels expanded at the same time, decrease your font size by using the zoom function shortcut. For Windows, that's the Control key with the minus key, and on Mac, it's Option Command key with minus. Once you do this a few times, both panels will appear. To get back to the default zoom setting, you can use Control 0 in Windows or Option Command 8 on Mac. If you leave the zoom setting the same, both sections will appear when you open your course the next time. New menu arrangement. The menus for courses have been rearranged. Here are the new locations. The instructor view is shown. A student's view is similar but with less options. Instructors should note that edit mode is enabled by turning on the switch at the upper right. The course index menu on the left lets you jump directly to the week you want. The block drawer menu on the right lets you select and view all items of your course by activity type. It also holds the Panopto block and latest news block, etc. The top menu is where you can go to see course participants and grades. Instructors will also see settings, reports, and a More pull-down, which lets you view the question bank for the course. The course reuse function lets you import content from another course. There are also some lesser used menu selections. The profile pull-down beside your profile picture has your user-related items such as messages, calendar, preferences, and your course grades. That's the overview of the menu changes introduced by CampusNet version 4.1. Thank you.